Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Suzuki Jimny 2000 to 2017? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. We will show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The Suzuki Jimny 2000 to 2017 engine compartment fuse box protects essential systems like the engine, cooling, and lighting from overloads and short circuits. It also contains relays and fuses for easy inspection and maintenance. Passenger compartment fuse box. The Suzuki Jimny 2000 to 2017 passenger compartment fuse box protects interior electrical systems like dashboard controls, lighting, and infotainment. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.